Come celebrate the 4th of July with the City of Prescott. Enjoy bungee jumping, water slides, pony rides, carnival games, live entertainment, delicious food, and more. Plus, experience the world's first mobile video game theater featuring the latest in video gaming. Festivities start at 12 p.m. at Pioneer Park and end with the biggest fireworks show in the Quad Cities. For a limited time, buy pre-sale carnival wristbands, good for all-day rides, crafts, and carnival games for just $12. Visit these locations for your discounted pass and make your plans to celebrate the 4th of July with the City of Prescott.